Hello and welcome to our final lecture on social media marketing. In this lecture, I'm going to share some tools that will help you automate your posts. I hope you have practiced using the sheets I had shared, planning a calendar for social media marketing, and the next step is knowing how to use automated tools. Now, I would like you to ask yourself why using these automated tools is important. Now you see, the main reason is because we live in a fast moving world and anything is possible. Things might not always go according to plan. In the marketing field, as a professional, especially if you are a digital marketer, you will realize that nothing goes according to plan. On a daily basis, something new happens, there's a new development, and this usually makes it difficult for you to ensure consistency with maintaining your social media posts. So scheduling them before time and planning everything before time, at least a month before time, is usually a good practice, is one of the best practices according to my experience. This way you can be sure that you do not miss a day of posting. On social media marketing, consistency is important. Okay, do not take it lightly. Consistency ensures that there is a constant growth in your audience. So here are the tools that we can use. My favorite is Publer. Publer is a free tool for now. I hope it remains free for a very long time. I like it because it tends to give us a few more extra options as compared to Hootsuite. Hootsuite has some limitations. Okay, it does not allow posting on Google My Business or GMB. And I think lately there has been a change. Before there were 3 or 4 accounts allowed, but now they have restricted it to just 2 platforms. And so that means in the free version you have access to 2 platforms, and you can post only about 30 posts per month. This platform allows you 5 or 6 platforms in fact, and you can have a total of about 50 or 60 posts per month. Hubspot is another platform that is good, but its free version has a lot of limitations. It has been a while since I used it, but while it was there, and I hope it is still free, it was good enough. You can still look it up, or even if it is available for a fees, it will be a very small fee. So if you can buy it, it's a good platform to work with. Nonetheless, if you really want to invest, I would recommend investing in Publer. Okay. There are many other free automated tools. I have left a link here for recommended posts that I think you should look up. And the next thing is I wanted to talk about what kind of activities you can do when it comes to automated scheduling. Blogging is something we have not talked about much in our lectures so far. We have talked about images, we have talked about YouTube videos and sharing blurbs and things like that. Now you see, there is this option for you to share blogs on LinkedIn, even on Facebook, not on social media, or not on Instagram. So you can write blogs related to whatever you want to talk about, whether it is your service or product, and share it on these platforms. It's a good practice. And you see, blogs tend to help your social media page and even websites to get noticed on Google. So in the long run, sharing blogs because they have informative content is a very good practice, and I would urge you to focus on your blogs because they do drive a lot of traffic to your website once shared on social media marketing. So this brings us to the end of this lecture, and I would insist that you practice making a social media calendar. I would insist on you practicing using Canva and planning hashtags and using them, sharing blogs and links to blogs from your website to increase website traffic, and explore these platforms. Just to make you understand how these things work, I decided to give you a preview of how the dashboard looks. This is a Publer. This is where you can always set up your profile and manage a team and go to the settings and organize things according to your own choice. You can add accounts here. As you can see, you have to connect it to all those platforms here. Once you have done that, you can start creating posts, and it's very easy. You can select the platform on which you want to schedule the post. Maybe I can just schedule on 3. You can paste the text here, whatever your text might be. Perhaps you might want to say happy Friday, happy Easter Friday or something, and and you can just click here, select an image. You can upload an image, or you can easily I have some uploaded here. You can easily select from here and say use media. It would show you the preview here, and this is how it would look with the image. As you can see, you can close this, you can schedule it. This allows you to schedule it. You can easily change the time. It's a 24 hours clock, so maybe I can put it on 1500 or something like that, and hit schedule, and it will be scheduled. Right now I do not wish to schedule anything. Nonetheless, you can always go to posts and you can delete posts, check which ones have been posted, which ones were failed, and whatever you have in drafts you can recycle posts. This is what I like about this platform, that it gives you a lot of options. This is in the paid version. You can actually plan your content, use the RSS feed and things like that, and you can check your media library here. I really love Publer. It's very easy to use. Okay, now this is Hootsuite. This has a free version. Like I told you before, there were 4 platforms, but now it has restricted us to 2 only. So this is how it looks. At a glance, it shows you whatever activities are going on different platforms. You can go to the calendar and you can start planning when you want to publish the next post. You can select your day. This is not available, that means any time, this time has passed. So on the 11th I can fix something for these times here. Just click on it, hit create post. You can also, if you have Pinterest connected to it, then it makes things easier. Just select the 2 platforms that you want to post on, or 1 platform. Once done, it gives you a preview here, so whatever text you write here, it will show over here, and then you can upload an image like this, for example. And it gives you a preview. Okay, you can easily hit the schedule button and schedule it on this time, or you can change the time and date like this. So as you can see, using these platforms is quite easy. It's quite easy. So to wrap things up, I would wish you all the best, and feel free to get in touch with me if you have any questions. If you have any problems with any projects, feel free to get in touch and I can help you through. Thank you.